I can't believe it finally arrived. I've been waiting forever to finally get a new RC, and I got the Lasernut. And yeah, this thing looks amazing. So everybody's done unboxing reviews on these things, so I'm not really gonna spend too much time on it. I'm just gonna get right into the meat and potatoes and open it up and do some more drooling. Ooh, that is beautiful.
Oh my God.
There's the owner's manual with a couple little tools. This box is gonna have the radio. It's already got batteries included. And then here's the beauty. Oh wow! Look at that box. That is pretty. I'm gonna pop the hood. Gotta look at the inside. That's nice and clean. Been excited about getting one of these things. I'm going to do a driving review later. But I have to go through and make sure all the screws are all tight and lock nutted up and adjust the brake force. But can't wait to drive it. And yeah, this thing's awesome. Yeah, there's the little guys in there. Got the light bar and the light pods. It's really cool. They got the little rubber hoses for the air.
Oh yeah.
Spare tire. First time actually having an RC that has a metal chassis, so that's new. Hopefully it'll be nice and durable. And if I can tell it didn't kill it, then I shouldn't kill it. Wow, those gold wheels. That's just.
Yeah, that's pretty.
That is beautiful. And officially licensed body, and hopefully I don't destroy it my first time driving it. Well, stay tuned for a driving video. Thanks.